welcome to the adventures of Spoonie and Bubbles. Today's story is called Ocean Splash Surprise. Flash of a blue light appeared. Whoosh! Water swirled in the air. Bubbles wobbled. Whoa! Water? Spoonie leaned forward. The swirl pulled them in. Swoosh! They slid through and splash! They were underwater. Spoonie floated up, then down. Bubbles spun in circles. I'm floating! Something swam past. Swish, swish. Colorful fish. Spoonie turned quickly. Fish live in the ocean. They swim and swim. So many fishes. Slowly, a turtle glided by. Spoonie slowed down. It's so calm. Then a big shadow passed. Spoonie looked up. A whale! Good. The water began to swirl again. Spoonie spun slowly. Time to go. He floated back. Where next? Baby, a farm.